Alright, welcome back to the shop. So, playing around here, I have some Milwaukee Packout, but what I'm doing is I'm playing around with making some extra and different dividers for these bins. So what this is I figured out the notching here to notch these out, and then you can push these in and get a few more dividers in your bins. So some guys are selling 3D printed versions, which are quite nice. I actually picked up a few. I like them, which is how I ended up with these extra dividers. So I figured I might as well do something with them, so I made up these templates. So then all I have to do is trace the template onto another one. Let's see if I can do that here. So all I do is hold that up there like that, and we'll trace it. This is a pretty fine point marker. There we go, got a tracing. And we'll do that with the other template. Here we go, line it up with your fingers. And trace it. So there we go. Just like that. So the reason I like to make a template is because if you keep tracing the same one over and over again, what ends up happening is if you trace it off, it compounds every time. So this way, if I'm off a little bit on one or something like that, it doesn't get off more and more and more every time you do it. So there we go. What we'll do is trace up a bunch of these, and I'll see you over at the bandsaw. Alright, here we are, over here at the bandsaw. So all we're going to do is take one of these, cut it out, and we'll take one of these and cut it out. So here we go. Okay, so here we go, we got these. I just like to deburr them. When I cut them like this, they get a little burred up. So I just take a knife, scrape them off. Never cut your hands off. There we go. Just like that. So then these two sit together just like that, nicely together, and then we take the bin, it pushes in just like that, and it's a nice little extra bin. So just a little thing to screw around with here out in the shop. A little bit of organization goes a long way. Thanks for watching.